Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Roblox executor. This video of course is for educational purposes, so do not use this on public servers. Just watch this video if you want to learn more about how coding a cheat for Roblox works. And this is very simplified because we are not gonna make our own API, we're gonna use a public API. If you don't know what an API is, it's okay. Let's just go ahead with the video. So since the last guide is not working anymore, I'm gonna make a new one. This video, yeah, this is the new guide. I'm gonna still use Fornon API because I think it's very solid. They've been consistent with updates. So guys, if you have already watched my previous video on how to make an exploit, you just have to update the latest version of Fornon API. To get it, just go on my website, scroll down to useful tools and press how to make your own Roblox exploit. If you are new and you don't know how to make your own exploit, this is the same step you have to do. Go here and press download Fornon API. After you press it, you're gonna see an exe file, so not RR file. This is because you're gonna see file DM ads. Just refuse all the offers like I'm making you see right now on the video, and then you will not download unwanted apps. After you refuse everything, it will give you a link to download the same file that I have over here, forlornapi.zip. So I'm gonna repeat it again. If your exploit stops working, let's go here, and if Forlorn API has updated, I will put it here. Then to make your own exploit, you have to download Visual Studio 2022. So go here and select Community 2022. After it, you will probably get Visual Studio Installer, which is this, and on this page you're gonna have to select this option over there, so you can create WPF programs, Windows Forms, C# and other stuff. So make sure you select this and then press install. After everything is ready, you can go ahead and open Visual Studio 2022. Hello. Okay, so press make a new project. Yeah, I know my computer is Italian, but just follow my steps, guys. Just follow my steps. Search for Windows Forms apps. Make sure you select the one with the Net framework and C#. So this one. Here it's the name of the project. Let's name it Test for the Video. And then here put 4.8 and press create. Now we have the project. This video I'm not gonna show you how to make the UI. I'm just gonna make you see how it works. But don't worry, you can use this if you want to test some scripts. As always, remember to test them on private servers and not on public ones, because you can get banned and it is against Roblox TOS. Now, open the toolbox. So go on view and then press toolbox and you're gonna see the toolbox. Search for rich text box and drag it like this and make this bigger. You can resize the window as you like. I'm gonna make this really shitty. I'm just gonna show you how it works. This is where we're gonna paste the scripts. Now I'm gonna add some buttons. So let's go again here and let's open the toolbox. Let's search for button and let's put a button here. Let's copy and paste. You can also right click, copy and then right click and paste. If you are wondering how to do it, I'm doing it with my keyboard, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and we're gonna make 4 buttons. So let me resize this. Now this is the worst UI in the exploiting community, guys. This is insane. Okay, now that we have the worst UI in the game, just rename the buttons. So I'm gonna go on text and type execute. I'm gonna copy and paste it because after it you have to scroll down until you see name and put execute here too. Let's click on the second button and this one is gonna be inject. I'm gonna copy and paste, scroll down and rename this one too, as I did before. Button 3 is gonna be kill Roblox. So if Roblox has some issues, we can close it. So I'm gonna rename it close Roblox. Copy and paste. Let me go down, close Roblox, and I'm gonna remove the space because we need this in our code. And button 4 is gonna be the clear. So if you want to remove the text in here, you just press the button to make it easier. So clear. Let me go up this time because it's up the text thing. Clear. Now we're gonna do another thing, which is double click every button. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is where we're gonna code our executor with all the buttons. Okay, so now go to the zip file that you got before, after the file DM, and paste it in a folder. Open it and you're gonna see Forlorn API DLL and then some other stuff. We just have to take the Forlorn API DLL this time. So let's go and copy this path, because we're gonna need it. So I just press here and copy. Let's go here and we need to add a reference. So go reference, double click, add a reference, click on browse, and here you just delete everything, copy and paste, send, and you're gonna see Forlorn API DLL. So let's double click on it make sure this is checked, press OK, and now we have our reference. So now we have to do another thing. The bin folder has to be in our project folder. So click the solution in the browser and you will see the directory. So double click on it, right click and copy, open a new file explorer, copy and paste the path and remove the last part. So let's go and test for the video. Go on bin, debug, and as you can see there is nothing. We have to take this folder and drag it in the bug like this. And now we can go ahead to code our exploit. The button 2, I don't know why it didn't rename it. If you have this issue, just go and inject. For example, double click and it's gonna put it here so you know the button 2 is the inject. So under the inject, we have to type forlorn to not make any errors here. API dot inject and close this like this. Do not miss anything. You have also to put the semicolon. Let me make this bigger. Okay, you see? Now, button 3 click. Let's see what it is. It's the close one because it put it under button 3. Forlorn API dot kill Roblox and close it. Semicolon. The execute button, we have to type forlorn API dot execute script open rich text box 1 dot text. The clear click is gonna clear the text box where we put the scripts. So the command for this is rich text box 2 question mark dot clear, and now we can close this like this. And this is all the code. Remember that this is the code under the inject click and this is the code under the close Roblox, so the kill Roblox, name it like you want. And guys, I was editing the video and I noticed I did something wrong. As you can see in the code that I typed previously, I put rich text box 2, but it has to be 1, otherwise the exploit is not gonna work. So to rename it, just go on your UI, click on the rich text box, scroll down here, go on project, and rename this to rich text box 1, so not any other number. It should be 1. Sorry for that error, just go ahead and replace this to rich text box 1. Ready? All the other things is correct. So now we can go ahead to the last step, guys. Now go and compile the exploit. And as you can see, it should say completed. If it says not working, make sure you did everything correctly. So make sure all the code like this is the same. Make sure you renamed this to whatever you have. To check the right names, just go here, scroll down, click on something you want to see the name. As you can see, the name is execute. And here is rich text box 1 and so on. So fix those accordingly. Now go on project, go on properties, go on compilation, and here put x64. Now you can go on compile and compile solution, and this is the shittiest exploit of the entire Roblox community. Now that we have compiled, if you want to run it, you just have to copy the path, go on a file explorer, and go to the path like this. Now, let's open the exploit. You can use any Roblox version, but not the Microsoft Store one, because it doesn't work on Microsoft Store. So you can use the web version and Blockstrap, and it's gonna be fine. Now, let's inject. And as you can see, we are injected. Let's try if it can execute something. You execute. And yeah, as you can see, we are executing. Now, let's try to run infinite admin script. And it is working. This exploit also has a decompiler with this API. So let's see if it is working. I have to censor it. I'm showing you this only for educational purpose. And yes, it is working. Remember that it's not allowed to see game scripts. Do not use this. If you want to copy games, it's not allowed, guys. You are in the wrong if you do this. So yeah, that's